Natural gas has breached the critical number at $3 levels last week. It has moved all the way towards 2.8 before closing the week at the critical support zone at 3. Can we say that the bottoming is done? Can we expect a reversal here in natural gas all the way towards 3.4, 3.5 zone? Or there is going to be lot much of downside from these levels. As you can see, lower lows, lower highs are seen here. The possibility of a move towards 2.6, 2.5 is there. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for natural gas, which nobody does. First, I release the update with the Asia and Europe session, and then next before the US session before the data releases. These two updates keep you informed about and helps you in taking logical decisions every day. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. See first on the weekly. When you look at the long-term perspective for natural gas, see this was the sharp dip right from $8 to $2 and in fact lower levels, and at this point itself I have mentioned, see it is formed double bottom. It might move higher. There is a gap at 4.2, 4.4. It has filled this gap. Now see, since then what natural gas is doing, just observe this: drop, retracement, drop, again a stronger rise and a stronger retracement to follow as well. Now if you connect the lows and the highs, I think the zone at 2.8, 2.6 is going to remain the most critical support zone here. Only and only if it trades below 2.6 is where we can say now natural gas is heading towards $2 zone. Else I'll still say it is not yet confirming such a strong bearishness here. Look at the weekly charts. The moving averages have converged, but these have not yet crossed over. The next important thing is, see, right from the highs at 5, we have seen a sharp dip. It has taken the support here at 3, and this is the third to fourth time. See, this was the first bump, second bump, third. This was the third, three attempts by nat gas. And since then, what has happened? We have seen natural gas trading in this bearish channel, drop, retracement, lower highs. And also the important thing is it is traded below the support zone where from where it has shown a bounce back every time. So now it is trading bearish. The next thing here is the resistance it is getting at 3.2. Very, very, very important for natural gas to trade beyond 3.15, 3.2 in order to confirm any kind of reversal. A move beyond 3.15, 3.2 is a clear sign of a reversal and a rise in natural gas, where we're going to see a good rise all the way towards 3.4, 3.5 zone. But right now I can see a greater struggle here on the upside. Now, the last week, importantly, what has happened? We have seen lower lows, prices are outside bands here. It has kissed past 2.8, 2.84 zone and has bounced back since then. But yes, lower lows, lower highs are still there and it has still got bearishness here. But look at the weekly stochastic. This has come towards an oversold zone. And if you look at the last few drops here towards an oversold zone, natural gas tries to post a recovery from these levels. And hence, it is possible that the lows for natural gas is done. And we also know that 2.8, 2.6 is the most critical zone. Hence, this could be the possible beginning of reversal, but most importantly, natural gas has to trade beyond 3.2 in order to show any kind of strength here. Look at the MACD. If you look at the MACD here, since the drop towards the bottom, the rise, first retracement, second rise, retracement, then third bigger rise and a bigger retracement here. Now, if you just smooth out, you can see the drop, the retracement, and it appears it is looking downwards, which is a bearish indication. But I think we have seen good enough move. Let's wait for this to take a clear direction here. RSI is also looking downwards, which is again a bearish sign here. Now coming to the daily, on the daily charts, how nat gas has performed since the crossover, the prices are trading bearish here. Also notice every time it takes a dip, it tries to bounce back. Now the most important zone is towards 3.4, which it has to break in order to confirm the next round of rise. And then above 3.8 is where only you can confirm that it is turning bullish. The next point here is look at the lows here. Look at these lows here. These two are beautifully aligned. We have to now wait for it to break out beyond 3.2. And the last observation here, you see the drop here, gap down opening, retracement, a sharp pullback, and now looking upwards. It has to first trade beyond 3.1, then 3.15, then 3.2. Very, very strong resistances definitely are there. It has to trade beyond this. The next thing is also it is closed on a bullish note and a critical support zone. Hence, Possibly, it might open the coming week on a bullish note itself, where the prices can keep moving towards 3.1. And if at all it trades beyond 3.1, certainly I can expect more bullishness ahead in natural gas. But I'll say till 3.2, it is a riskier bet. The moving averages are trading with divergence and staying bearish. Now, notice the bearishness here was sharp. Since then, it is staying with swings here. The direction it takes now, it is going to be a critical one. A drop below 2.8 should confirm the next move towards 2.6, 2.4 levels. Look at the stochastic after hitting the oversold zone, it is trying to recover, which is a supportive sign for further bullishness. And if you see the MACD is also bottoming here. First drop, retracement, second drops, consolidation. And now a crossover here might confirm a complete reversal. RSI here rising from the bottom, coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts here. Uh, thing is the resistance it is getting here pretty strong. Since then, what has happened? It was trading in this bearish channel. It has given this breakout, but largely you can see lower lows are done, and slightly lower highs are also seen. Pretty important for gas to first trade beyond 3.1, 3.15, 3.2, and a move beyond 3.2 will confirm the next round of rise, where it might try to fill the gap all the way towards 3.6 very soon. But it is not showing any such strength. The moving averages are still staying bearish and not confirming a reversal. Stochastic near to overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over. The MACD is trading bullish, looking upwards, supportive sign for further rise. And the RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to the monthly. Now, this one is important. First, what a magnificent drop natural gas has seen. Amazing. Right from close to $10, we have seen it moving all the way to a $2 levels, 80% erosion here. Since then, what has happened? It has just stayed a retracement, then a drop, and also it was trading with lower highs. It has given a breakout here. Now, let's focus on the last few months. Since the bottoming here, first rise, then the retracement, then rise, sideways movement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now, still here it was fine. It was trading in a nice bullish channel. It has now come out of this bullish channel. The next important thing is look at this. The first major candle, couple of retracement ones, and then this candle is very important because it is closed at the bottom and the next candle continued with the bearish bias. Now what it has done, the current candle also, it has breached past the support here at 3. It is also right now positioned at 3 and it has kissed the median here. So now it is pretty important for gas to trade below 2.8 and 2.6 zone, because this double bottom is very crucial here, and it has still got lot much of room on the downside available. Hence, the closure of the current candle and the move in the coming week is going to be very important for natural gas. A drop below 2.8 should confirm the next move towards 2.6 and lower levels. Now see, the stochastic on the monthly charts have come again towards an oversold zone. And if you look at the MACD, what it has done, see, after this 2 to 3 years of drop, it has crossed over here. It has traded with moderate bullishness. It has tried to converge here, but again, this is not yet confirming a crossover here. The RSI is also trading bearish. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels. And before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're willing to trade with a safe partner, with a trusted partner which offers you a sweat-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first is where you should buy. You can buy here at 3.02, expect 3.05, 3.11. If these levels are taken, stay bullish, again 3.15 and then 3.2. Till here, look at the proximity of resistances. Very strong resistances are available till 3.2. Beyond 3.2, I think we should not stay with sells. The possibility of a move towards 3.4 will be very high, and 3.6 will be very high. Any move beyond 3.4, 3.6 should lead to the next round of rise all the way towards 4. If not in this month, then in the next month or next to next month. Yes, the winters onset of winters might also set the stage on fire, but right now it is not showing any such strength. Remember, it can possibly continue with the bearish bias for this month and the next month and then bounce back with the onset of winter. Hence, you have to watch out. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2.97, expect 2.94, 2.9. If this is also taken, stay bearish for 2.84 and then 2.78. This is the most important level here. These all levels are very important. Any drop below 2.78 should confirm the next move towards 2.7, 2.6, and any drop below 2.6, I think there is no the probability but to just stay short in natural gas for 2.4 and lower levels. Chances for such a strong drop appears less, but yes, these are markets and this is natural gas. Anything and everything is possible. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.